Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to open a carbon saving account and an interest. Now, you just have to first of all verify your account. Once you verify, your main carbon account itself already earns interest up to 20% per annum depending on the saving plan, so you don't actually necessarily need a separate account. But here's how to do it. Under save, you click on savings. You click on savings. As you can see, there is cash vault, goals, and flex save. There, in the cash vault, your funds are locked until the end of the plan. You can save from 50,000 to 10 million, and you choose from 3 to 12 months. But here's the thing: the cash vault saving plan is locked, and you'll not be able to withdraw your funds before maturity. Now, if you don't want that and you want another plan, you can click on goals. Goals save a particular amount on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis as 12% starts from 100 naira. Now, it has automated deductions. You can control how frequently you save your money and pause deductions anytime there is no pressure. And for the last is flex save. You save your spare cash here and keep adding to it when you get more. You can also earn up to 12% per annum. Now, top up your savings anytime as often as you like. You can choose a tenure from just 1 month and above. And if you need your money, you can just instantly withdraw after 24 hours. So once you have chosen your saving plan, you just deposit money into it. But an interest bill is based on your average balance and the plan's rates. Your interest also credited automatically over time. Locked plans generally pay more than flexible ones, but you lose access until maturity or take a penalty for breaking early. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.